Hi! So last of the 3 videos of the gifts I got for Christmas and my birthday. To see the 2 previous videos, so my Christmas gift and my birthday gift, they are the 2 previous videos that I posted. Now it's my sewing machine because this needs its own video. So first, the sewing machine. So, ta-da! This is it. It's big, but it's amazing. I've sewn 2 bags with it. Well, two for me and 4 for other people, my sport team. So this is the Patreon. I don't know how to say it. Ta-da! And the instructions. And I actually made a thing myself for a pocket inside the tote bag. So now these 2 boxes. First, the easiest one to show what it's the thing inside. It's basically a kit to do a whole project. So it's a project inside it. I won't show everything of the project, but I will probably show when it's done in a long time because I'm busy. Now, in this. Firstly, there is this little bag with some cotton in it. Don't ask why. Some buttons with some fabric scissors. They're big. They're big scissors. Trigger warning scissors for anyone. I've said it too late, I know. Shh. Here. The plug for my sewing machine. A ruler made for fabric. This little thing to I made it myself to be able to do the little thing to do, yeah, people